By the way, I think I found why my AC condenser fan was rattling. Here's a video how to remove this radiator grill and get inside to the fan. Here's the AC condenser, and on the bottom, as you can see, this is AC condenser cooling fan. And when you turn AC on, this guy rattles like crazy. As you can see, oh yeah, probably one of the brackets broke. Well, let's find out. Let's disconnect the electrical connector over here to the fan. Alright, here I go. What I did, I just pushed this tab in and pulled the connector, don't pull the wires. Here's a 8mm bolt to remove just behind this front crash sensor. Bolt is out. Seems like it just popped from the bottom cross bracket. Well, that's what you can find when you got a project truck. And yeah, interesting. Good news is actually I don't have to pull fan out. As you can see, there is a 1 square slot where the fan should sit. You see the 2 legs on the bottom of the condenser cooling fan bracket, and there's the same slot on another side. I hope you can see, but one is over there. And what I'm going to do, I will just put it all back, make sure it's all aligned in those slots, push it firmly in like so. I can feel it, it's in, and I'm going to tie this bolt. Let's tie that bolt, make sure it's snagged. Don't want to strip. That's good. And now it's rock solid. Connect electrical connector for the fan. Before you put a grill back, check it out, make sure it won't rattle, but this one won't. It's solid. That before it was loose, but I will check it out. Thank you so much guys for watching, very appreciate your time. If you like it, thumbs up. If it's helpful, that's awesome. And yeah, subscribe to the channel. Bye now.